video clip, I'll be talking about attaching our wall to concrete. Since our wall will be sitting on concrete, there's a couple of different ways that we can attach our wall to that concrete. The one that I'm going to use is to use some type of a construction adhesive and squirt that down on the ground, and then when we raise our wall, it'll sit on that construction adhesive and it'll hold that in place. Another thing we could do is use a ram set, which will take a 22 bullet and it'll shoot a nail through our sole plate into the concrete. When using a construction adhesive, the first thing you want to do is make sure to clean the area. So go ahead and take a broom and sweep away any dust or debris. The next thing that we need to do is make a generous coat of our adhesive.